Good work tips, putting purlins in and doing a hand cut roof. I've worked out a halfway point for where the purlins are going to go. Now, I cut my bird's mouth and push my purlins to that point just for makes it easier than trying to double bird's mouth and get everything right. So, to get my 1/3 mouth in my rafter, and I hold my purlin piece of timber, and I slide that up the battens in line with the battens of the existing roof until I hit the mortar joint. And once I've got the mortar joint, I know where that's going to go. So I'll cut out for my double bird's mouth, and once that's all in, we know where that's going, and it's easy to cut along the mortar line, brittle bricks. I will then place an offcut once my rafter's in. Use the square from the point there. I will move that over until it touches. And then what I do is, I square the back and I'll play around that with this. Doesn't matter if it's a couple of mil higher, because I could always put slate underneath it and pack it up to suit. The point is to know the position of that 1/3 bird's mouth and get the position right. So once I get a pair in, both sides, it's all structurally supported, I lift it up, prop it up both ends, and that's done. Good work tips for getting purlins in the right position.